Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Fusion radio. First, gather your essential tools, including trim removal tools and a screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Make sure your new radio unit is compatible with your Ford Fusion model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe installation process, saving you time and effort later on. Now let's remove the old radio. Using your trim removal tools, carefully pry off the surrounding trim panels. Work slowly to avoid scratching or damaging the dashboard. Once the trim is off, you'll see the mounting screws holding the radio. Unscrew these, then gently pull the unit forward. Disconnect all the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable from the back of the old radio. Keep these organized for the new installation. With the old radio out, it's time to install your new unit. First, connect the new radio's wiring harness to the car's existing connectors. Ensure all connections are secure and properly seated. Slide the new radio into the dashboard opening and secure it with the mounting screws you removed earlier. Finally, carefully reattach the trim panels, making sure they snap firmly back into their original positions. Double-check for any gaps. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your car. Turn on the ignition and thoroughly test all functions of your new radio, including audio, presets, and any other features. Make sure everything is working correctly before you button up completely. Also, for those interested in personal finance, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your upgraded audio system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.